welcome back to day 16 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Chris O'Neill and I can't wait to just jump in here. So the first thing I wanted to review is what we got yesterday. We got this wonderful case. We also got some nail art stickers, which I have here. And I decided to open them up and try them for some different applications. And the one thing I thought about trying was sticking them on some scissors. Hopefully you can see that. I have that little tiny sticker on my scissors. This is a great way to identify your items in classes or anything like that where there might be multiples of an item. You can say, that one's mine. It has that nail art sticker from a Missouri Star Quilt Company on it. It is sticking on there really well. I couldn't scrape it off. I think that's a great use for these. Personally, I'm never going to use them on my nails. I don't have any grandkids that I could give them to, and I think this will be really nice going forward with these little cute sewing items. So overall, I am valuing yesterday's items at $15, $10 for the case, and then $5 for these little stickers. Surprisingly, these are a little pricey when you go on Amazon and look for nail art stickers. I had no idea. So that brings our grand total up to $199. That's $19 more than I spent on the box. And that includes shipping, by the way. Somebody had asked that and I wanted to clarify that. So that was a really good day. We're doing really well with evaluation. Let's move on to today's item. Still don't know what it is. Let's take a peek. Okay, that sticker was about half on. I know you're not here for a review on stickers though. Okay, so the Blade Saver thread cutter. I have one of these. Where is it? There it is. Ah. And I think it's the same company. Yes. Yes, okay, these are great. These are great. This one's turquoise. Oh, this one has a little screwdriver in it. That's kind of nice because I'm always hunting for a screwdriver to do mine. These are great. You take your old rotary blades and you put them in here and it becomes a cutter for chain piecing for your threads. So you just set them up like this. And then when you're traveling or when you want to put it away, you just take this magnetic lid off, put this in here, like this. It should pop, there it goes, pops into place, and it keeps it nice and safe and out of harm so no one gets hurt on this thing. This is a great item. Oh, and I'm psyched about the little screwdriver. All right, I can always use another one of these because I'm always hunting for this one. I have been keeping it by my sewing machine, but I would love one over by my ironing board too. Love it. What a great gift. Okay, woohoo! And finally, that brings us to Quiltmas. So you are able to enter up until the 17th, which is Saturday at midnight, and you're still able to win one of these quilts or many of these quilts. You can enter to win all 12, and maybe you'll win all 12. Who knows? I think the odds of that are quite low, but maybe. You never know. So make sure you enter. Make sure you have the secret words. Make sure you have the secret words. Make sure you have the secret words. I can't tell you how many emails I've answered where people said that they didn't have the secret words and wanted me to modify it, and I cannot do that. That's part of the rules that I talked about yesterday that oversee all of the giveaways. I can't go in and alter any of these submissions, so I'm sorry. I can't. I can't. So make sure you have all the secret words and you're ready to go and get your submissions in. Okay, let's take a guess at tomorrow's item. This is your warning. I'm taking a guess. Okay, day 17 is this box. There's nothing rattling or anything like it. It feels like it might be breakable, like there's styrofoam in there, like you can kind of even hear the squeakiness of the styrofoam. It is nicely sealed, which is good. I don't know what this is. It's not super heavy. Maybe a pound, if that. It's kind of big, so I don't think it's a coffee mug or something like that because, oh, it could be one of those oversized coffee mugs. I don't know. You'll have to tell me what you think it might be. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope if you are in the United States and you are in the Northeast, you are staying nice and toasty warm. It is cold out there and miserable. And I hope you have a great day. Make sure you take some time to sew, and I'll see you soon. Bye.